interesting fun fact about my ring size. Turns out that my ring size and my shoe size for my ring finger are the same size, 7.5. How do you measure your ring size at home? Get a strip of paper, put it around your ring finger or any other finger for that matter. Mark where it forms into a circle. Don't make it too tight because you don't want the ring to squeeze the hell out of you. And then take a ruler. Most of the sizes of the internet on the internet are in millimeter, but I'm an inch girl, so mine measures 2.25 inches. I Google convert 2.25 inches to ring size. It turns out to be 7.5. I'm sorry. Isn't God wonderful? We are created so wonderfully and perfectly aligned. Ring size, shoe size, same size. Give God a hallelujah. Praise your name, Father. You're awesome. Thank you for making us this wonderfully and this perfectly aligned. Thank you.